You've tuned into The Mountain Gardener with your host, Ken Lain. Gardening can be challenging, but with these simple insider tips, you'll reap huge rewards. Now, let's tune into today's Mountain Gardener with Ken and Lisa. So we had a super fun sip and shop. So on Thursday. So it's what we're doing is we got together as a team and we're so connected. We can't put our devices down. We're disconnecting from people. We just need to have a way for gardeners to connect back. And so as a garden center, an independent garden center, that's loves our community, loves our customers, our gardeners. We thought, what can we do? And so we came up with a sip and shop. So once a month, we hand out glasses of wine. This time it was a sangria and succulent event. So you could play with the succulents, had some special ones come in. We're potting things up, sipping wine, having fun, socializing with other neighbors, friends. I mean, the sisterhood comes. The neighbors are bringing neighbors, just kind of neighborhoods are showing up. So it's not, you can come stag, come solo too, but we're seeing more of what we wanted, bringing community together. And so I think that's powerful. In today's technology-driven world, AI is going to take over. You know what? Go ahead, because we got our gardens and we got each other. It's just fun that way. So that was Thursday. On Saturdays at 9:30, we're doing something similar, but it's more of it's not a social, it is a social thing, but it's really made to help you up your game if you're a gardener, especially if you're new, it's a new house, new to the neighborhood, just trying to get familiar with your new backyard. Every garden, every home has a different soil texture and has different wind exposures and different north, south, east, west facing sun. And you need to get used to that. And so we have a garden class every Saturday at 9:30, no matter the weather, the sunshine, we've got in the back greenhouse, we can cool and heat it. But this weekend, it was green spaces, designing living walls for beauty and privacy. If you missed that one, so it's every Saturday, comes up 9:30. Come early. Sometimes it's packed. I never know which class is going to be packed out. So it's kind of surprising. But privacy is a real thing. We've got some building boom going on. And, you don't want to see your neighbor in their hot tub. You just want to screen that out. So there's a way to do that with plants. Next week, the 25th, it's designing poolside paradises with patio tropical plants. And so if you don't have a pool, you could just a patio. A front entrance. There's design techniques you can put there, but with pools, you kind of want less messy. You want cleaner, neater. You want things just dropping in the water, getting in the skimmers. And there's certain plants that are better for that. We're going deep into that one. It's surprising how many pools we have here. And so that's the end of July, the first part of August. So this goes through October. Fast-growing trees for a quick landscape. There's some trees that are faster than others locally. There's some that are slower, more methodical. So we're just going over the differences of both evergreen and shade trees. So the fastest growing of all of the evergreen trees is a deodar cedar. One of the fastest of the, let's say, fall colored trees would have to be Prescott Blaze maples. And we'll go over all the details of why, where, when, how to plant them, how to stake them, all the details of that. They're free. They're on Saturdays at 9:30. Please come. We want you to be a better gardener. And we believe if you learn to garden, do it well, and you see success, you go, wow, I am a gardener. Look at that. It's beautiful. You'll come back and buy more plants from Waters Garden Center. So it's we've been doing this for decades. My father-in-law taught me how to do this 30 years ago. And now I'm teaching my daughter to do the same thing, Mackenzie, now. So it's kind of our core, it's within our core values. Throughout the week, Lisa and I camp out here at Waters Garden Center. Trust me, we do like talking to fans of the show.
Plant summer shade with the best trees.
We've collected 700 mountain hardy trees for summer-long shade, privacy, and wind protection.
We guarantee you will fall in love with a backyard that is cool again.
Summer rains make this the ideal season to plant new trees for summer-long shade.
And Waters Garden Center can help.
Waters Garden Center, 1815 Iron Springs Road in Prescott. For a more fruitful garden, increase success in the landscape that just feels better, then tune in daily to the Mountain Gardener podcast. Subscribe through your favorite podcast streamer or visit watersgardencenter.com. Better yet, visit me directly right here at Waters Garden Center. Thanks for tuning in.